This trailer is in need of help.
We're gonna make her purdy.
Can somebody help me? You guys, come on over and give me a hand. What's taking you so long? We started this thing and you're not even here. Well, you're kind of here. Well, you're here.
Oh my, oh my.
So,
It's been a whirlwind. It's been a whirlwind.
it's been a heck of a weekend.
Kinda, yeah, right?
As you see, the camper used to be here,
Gone. No camper.
and
And that was a win. I mean, we knew we were gonna sell it at some point, but like that was just like a random, let's put it up and see what happens. Boom, gone.
we put it up, and within 5 minutes, somebody wanted it. Now within
6 minutes, somebody else. 8 minutes, somebody else. Like at least 25 messages in the first half an hour.
so it's been kind of a crazy weekend.
Yeah, because that took a
Between-
minute.
Selling the camper.
Yeah, that's that. Our neighbors think we're crazy. There she blows.
And then
So the plan really was to like deal with that situation right there this weekend, right? Because we had days off and we were going to have at least one good day, which today is the day.
yeah, we're gonna deal with the floor, and I'll show you that in a sec. Then we had to go to the dump. Yep, 4, 5, or 6.
What you doing?
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me.
Okay, don't do it. Don't do it. Stop it. Stop it.
No more. What you doing?
I'm just kind of in shock that we just sold the camper in like minutes of posting. Which is cool, but sad, you know. We are at the dump along with half of the town doing our recycling from inside the trailer. Walls and paneling are at the dump.
Then we went to get some supplies. We got some insulation, we got some wool batting. Insulation time.
We are going to use one bag of the wool to go down along the sides of the walls, right? And fill in, right? Fill in the bottom part of the trailer before it comes up and meets the floor. There's a big hole all the way around. So we're going to fill that up with this stuff.
So we're going with some Rockwell insulation, guys. We're also going with some styrofoam, the Durafoam that we used in the camper because it works awesome.
Yeah.
But we do need some in the floor. I don't want to use fiberglass insulation. This stuff is better.
It's non-combustible,
Non-combustible.
snug fit, easy to install.
Doesn't-
It is rated R14,
14.
so we're going to split it in half, so it'll be rated R7,
Roughly, yeah.
roughly.
So,
So that's it. So we're getting some of this and some Duro down there.
pitter patter, let's get at her.
Let's do her.
Then today I got had to get some lag bolts to refix the structure from the 2x4s attached to
Some
the frame.
paneling.
Then, as you can see in the back of the truck, I picked up paneling. But I know what you're saying.
It's been a busy weekend.
Whoa, 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 Corey Marcy. What are you doing buying insulation and paneling right now when you haven't even restructured it yet? Let me tell you a story. The story goes, get it now so you have it, so when you're ready, you don't have to run out to the hardware store. Then, while we're at the hardware store getting insulation, some guy's throwing out a monster countertop.
Oh yeah, sweet deal, sweet deal. And the weirdest thing is that we got a really good deal on flooring at the Restore. Everybody out there should look at their Restores. It's really worth it. It's Habitat for Humanity. $70 for the entire flooring for this. And just so happens the free countertop that Corey scored, 10 foot, by the way, 10-foot countertop, matches the flooring. Awesome.
So far we're definitely staying within the budget. The most expensive so far has been the insulation and the paneling, but we saved money on a countertop. We didn't have to buy a countertop. It's 10 feet. It's beautiful. It's going to work.
And our local hardware store gave us a deal on the paneling, so that was nice
and we
too.
got a really sweet deal on the paneling.
Yeah,
we didn't
not
pay
the big
regular
box.
price. And then Marcy found an awesome flooring, which was kind of like what we had in the camper. We don't want to go with the browns on the floor. We're going chic, remember?
We're trying.
So now, here's where we are. I give up. Whoever wants this, come and get it. No.
It was a lot. It was a lot this weekend.
As you would have seen in the last video, everything's ripped out. No wiring, no plumbing, no insulation, all taken out. We're putting in new insulation. We're putting in new plumbing. We're putting in
Some
new
floor.
wiring.
A wall, you know.
I've
The
cut out
necessities.
the floor, and that's what I'm working on today. So my goal for today is to take a nap. No, my goal for today,
Our goal for today.
Marcy's and myself's goal for today, is to fix the structure of this rotten floor and doorway.
Well, I don't think it's
all
ideal
cut
to
out.
look through your wall to the outside from, say, your bathroom. I just think perhaps we should close that up.
Probably not.
No.
Also, just so you guys know who is watching, because in the last video you would have seen the toilet was still in there. Toilet has been yanked.
Bye-bye, toilet.
Thank goodness the black tank was empty.
Yay. Score for us. Because that was going to be so bad. I was so dreading that.
It's either incinerator toilet, compost toilet, or porta potty. We're not sure which way we're going to go yet. You'll have to watch following videos to find out what we decide to do.
Depends on the funds. Depends on the
We're
funds.
not doing a black tank.
No, man. No. Nasty, nasty stuff, that black tank.
And we're probably not doing an incinerator. I just felt like saying that. That's way too expensive. And a lot of power. So let's see what I can get accomplished and Marcy can get accomplished. I think I'm going to take a nap and let Marcy work on the floor today.
Give me a sledgehammer.
Uh-oh. Maybe I should stay out here, guys.
Oh, no, I have that little tool I borrowed from my brother. I'll zap those suckers off of there.
So that's what we're going to work on today. We're going to work on the floor. Let's see how far we get.
We just thought we'd keep you posted on how our weekend adventure went.
It's been crazy.
Welcome to the adventure, guys. This is just the beginning. Let's
Crazy.
do it. Okay, Mylanta. You are making me nervous. Holy, where's your walls hanging on to? Oh, nothing. Nothing at all. They're just hanging out. Oh, my goodness. Well, what do you think?
I think
Well, it's interesting. Now you know how the stairs are attached.
I think it was a little rotten.
Just a tad. Just a tad. Put your thumbs up, babe. Give me a high five. High five. Air high five. Air high five. Hey. What are you doing, man? Amazon came.
Structure. Look at the structure that I've done here.
I know, right?
Lifted the stairs up. It's all good.
It's looking good. It's looking solid.
Amazon came.
Amazon came. Let's see what we got going on. Here, I'll open it. You just stay there. It's okay.
What do you mean you'll open it?
Okay. Let me see what we ordered. Because frankly, I was half asleep when we ordered most of this, and you were like, and one of these, and one of those. Oh, your lock.
Oh, there it is. The lock to lock
That's
the
the
tongue.
lock. I need a knife to open this guy.
I got
Here,
a
this
screwdriver.
screwdriver will work.
So nobody steals our beautiful trailer when it's
Well,
done.
someone could just hook up and pull off, which did happen to some of these last year. Oh, yes, 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 yes.
That's what we're waiting for.
We are waiting for this, Jax. You're gonna stick your head into there, really. Come on. Oh, and look. Here's the bonus of this. We were just talking we needed a box. Ooh, there's a lot in there. What did you order?
There's our lights that we put. Hey.
I'm sorry.
Man, you make a lot of noise. There's our lights for underneath the our LED lights.
Yeah, countertop lights.
There's our battery operated water pump.
Flexible light strip lights. How many light strips did you?
That's for under the counter.
Ah.
Changeable LED light strips for under the counter. So it shines on the floor.
What's this?
Locks for all the doors outside.
Oh wow, you got it. How many did you get?
6.
Safety first. Safety first. Note that.
Oh,
Ooh,
and this
light
is
switch.
the one light switch panel.
Oh, there's the little screws.
We have the big light switch panel coming with a 12-volt plug and everything, but this is the small one for the back, for the bathroom, stuff like that.
Electrical and locks.
Cool.
And our little pump for our drinking water.
There's
We're gonna have a faucet, but do we want the boss? Let's not do that. We'll just stick all of our stuff. Except for the jacks. Because at some point, there's a few, just a few more deliveries coming, and this little box is probably going to be full at some point. So I'm going in. Look at that.
So being an older trailer, it doesn't have the scissor jacks for helping to keep it stable. So we purchased these.
On Amazon, $49.99.
Amazon were 40 bucks. If you go to some RV places, it's 2 for 70. If you go to Walmart or anything like that, it was 2 for 60. So
It's a deal.
no, I have it on reel.
Oh, you're already holding it? I gotta get to the screw.
Okay.
Yeah, I knew I was doing too good. Bugger. I can't get that. Oh, I gotta go upside down because I can't get it in that full way.
Okay.
Voila!
Voila. That's for the wall, that's not for the stairs.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try it. Get up and try again. Get up and try again.
Okay, so how you doing? You just
It's
got rid of
gone.
your baby. You just got rid of your baby. She's gone. No more baby in the driveway. No more baby on the truck.
It used to be right here, guys. Right here. Oh, guys, you know what? The excitement is not done yet. As bummed out as I am as it's gone, I loved our little camper.
Me too.
This
But we've moved on to bigger and better things.
Here's the next project.
Tiny home on wheels.
So guys, if you like videos like this, please smash that thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe.
As Marcy always says, don't forget to subscribe and ding that notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as we start working on this again. Guys, we will see you in the next video.